And as for our ABS type, we will be having 3 available
models, keyless operated Honda Smart Stop Box. Going motovlog.
Mas pino yung andar talaga na itong ADB 160 na bago. Alright guys, so nandito tayo ngayon sa may Honda Safety Driving Center. In-invite tayo para masaksihan yung bago na ilalunch na I think ADV 160 na bagong variant. And nakalagay naman na doon. And eto, antayin na lang natin mag-start yung program. Kasama natin si Kuya GJ. Hey, let's go. And si Kuya Motor ni Juan dito. And yung kuha niya, walis lang. And nandito na rin ibang mga media vloggers and motovloggers. Ayan. Hanapin nyo lang, makilala nyo dyan.
Napunta na ako dun eh.
So, dito lang din ginanap yung etong bagong bike launch dito sa Honda mismo. And mamaya magte-test ride tayo ng bagong ilalabas na motorcycle or itong bagong variant na ADB 160. Store ni Juan.
Di ba sumabay ka? Sa kotse? 2.5 sa'yo ah.
Aray ko, 2.5. Ang laki ng tubo mo to kaya.
Eh kung saan tayo eh.
Having an amazing morning so far. It is a great pleasure to welcome all of you to this momentous event. I am Janica Rios and I will be your host this morning here at Honda Safety Driving Center, where innovation, safety, and quality come together. And of course, we are here to witness the SUV Pride motorcycle that will surely elevate your riding experience. And I am sure that all of you are already excited to witness the unveiling of the latest motorcycle from Honda, of course, and to test ride this motorcycle that reflects not just Honda's engineering precision, but also its deep understanding of the evolving needs of every Filipino rider. Alright, so at this point, allow me first to acknowledge the presence of our guests from media and moto vloggers. Koi Moto Vlog.
I'd like to my warmest welcome all of you today. This version of ADB 100
160cc automatic, available for road safe type. Tough, sharp, solid, and durable. Rugged and barren terrain, like you're cruising on a highway. Enjoy the pride in every maneuver. Ride bold and confident. Make every journey sensational. The Honda ADB 160, the SUV Pride.
The ADV 160 ABS side in matte gunpowder black metallic. The ADV 160 ABS side in pearl fadeless white. And the ADV 160 ABS side in matte saber green metallic. mileage. Please watch this. Ladies and gentlemen, the ADV 160 Racing Type in quartz brown metallic with the first in all commuter models, keyless operated Honda Smart Top Box.
Staying connected to your world. Moving forward to our new 5-inch TFT panel for our ADV 160 that delivers a clear and informative display at any time of the day. Of course, this is paired with a multifunction switch for the easiest operation. And as for our ABS type, we will be having 3 available colors, which are the new Matte Saber Green Metallic, the new Pearl Fadeless White, and Matte Gunpowder Black Metallic.
Alright, photo op tayo dito sa labas. Dito tayo tayo sa mga bata tayo.
Ayun, gusto ko yan.
Mga pampabata na. Ready ka na, Kuya?
Bata na, isip bata. Ano sabi mo?
Ready na ako pareho.
Okay, activity with a Honda Philippines Incorporated metal
Alright.
Mr.
Done na yung photo op and test ride na. Start na mag-test ride. So may number kasi dito sa test ride. So pang number 21 tayo. So maya pa tayo. Waiting pa tayo. Bro! Yay! What's up? What's up? Ito yung bagong Honda ADV 160 Road Sync version and ABS version. So ito yung old, ito yung new. Glossy na siya. Akala ko matte.
Also for everyone,
So ito yung isang matte green na ABS
there
version.
will be a series of groupings for the test ride proper based on the fuel number you receive.
Then ito yung pinaka gusto kong kulay, itong brown. Itong
We will now
glossy
place
brown.
the order for you to prepare your seat
Right.
here before your actual ride. For those who
So yun, isa rin. Nandito pa rin yung matte black, di pa rin nawawala.